Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a website using ChatGPT and CodePen.io. So this is a complete no code type website. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So first things first, I am going to try to recreate amazing cars and drives using the platform ChatGPT as well as CodePen.io. So pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take a full screenshot of this entire website. So currently this is what it's looking. So if we could try to at least have somewhat a similar looking website towards what amazing cars and drives look like, yes, we're going to go and try to do so. However, in order to get the entire screenshot or a screenshot of this website, I'm going to go ahead and use a Chrome extension called Go Full Page. So this should capture the entire website or just the homepage itself. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to Chrome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this particular website, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it into ChatGPT. So firstly, what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and screenshot this entire website. So let's see if we can go ahead and capture it. Okay, cool. So as you can see, Go Full Page has given us the entire website here just for the homepage. I'm going to go ahead and download that image. Okay, so that's now downloading. Now I'm going to go and jump onto ChatGPT, and this is where you need to be very specific with your prompt. So you need to ask it what exactly you want to do. So this is the type of prompt that I am going to want to do. Well, firstly, what I need to do here is I'm going to go ahead and get or upload an image from my computer. And this is exactly the screen capture, which is the PNG. So you'll see it there, that is now an attached file, like so. Now, how we're going to do this is we're going to tell ChatGPT that you are an expert web designer and developer. I want to recreate the design that I provided in the touched image using HTML and CSS. Site needs to be responsive as well. And the site is called Amazing Cars and Drives. And then make sure you do not use the same content as given in the image. Change the content a bit to align my brand. And then I'll just say, we sell cars, used cars, and then as well as car parts. So again, feel free to write a similar prompt to the one that I have. And I'm just going to say, I intend to use the CodePen application for copying and pasting the code you'll provide. Please provide me HTML and CSS in different files. So you can see we're completely using ChatGPT in order to create this website. So firstly, make sure that you are very specific with your prompt. So I've went ahead and said that ChatGPT is going to be an expert web designer and developer, and that they'll help me create the provided image in HTML and CSS. I want the site to be responsive as well. And the site is called Amazing Cars and Drives. And I've also said that change the content a little bit and then make sure that it says we sell cars, used cars, as well as car parts. And then we are going to be using the application code pen for copying and pasting the code, and make sure it's in HTML and CSS. So we're going to go ahead and enter the prompt in. And then what this is going to do is it should hopefully provide 2 files of HTML, and as well as this, it's going to go ahead and do one for CSS. So you can see how pretty fast it is able to create the actual code for us. So again, no code for us to do. We're literally just copying and pasting everything. And hopefully this should give us the CSS version as well. So just wait for everything to load up. So again, if it does provide images of the cars, it's no problem at all. What we could do is we could always change it, which is going to be no issue for us at all. Okay, perfect. So this is literally going from top to bottom in order to create this entire website. Okay, it should be coming to the end, hopefully. Should just give us the footer. Okay, that was the footer. And we should be reaching, hopefully, CSS soon. Okay, there we go. There's CSS. So it's amazing what ChatGPT can do in the space of about a minute, 2 minutes of just doing that. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this code directly onto CodePen. So in order to do that, scroll up, go ahead and select copy code, go to CodePen, I'm going to go ahead and paste this in, do the same for CSS. Okay, that's fine. CSS, copy that code, paste it in. So you're starting to see it on the right side. This is pretty much the how it's going to look. So let's see if there's any issues here. We'll go ahead and select save. So we went ahead and added the HTML and CSS. Currently, this is what the site looks like. So it's understood the fact that this is what the site is going to look like. And you can see here, that's pretty much how it is. However, it is still missing the color as well as the overall structure. So what we're going to do is we're going to screenshot one area. Like so. And then we're going to go ahead and say what we've said here. And then I'm going to paste that in. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and enter. See, hopefully this gives us a better outcome. Okay, so hopefully this will give us the outcome that we need, and we'll go ahead and we'll be able to paste that into the codepen.io. But you can see how easy it is to do. It's literally just going to be the matter of copying and pasting while you are working with code. You don't need to do a single bit of code to create or make changes to your website. So I'll skip forward until this is all complete. Okay, so I had to attempt it with another bit of code here. The Amazing Cars and Drives was just having a couple of issues with actually giving me the overall design. So I've just went ahead with a basic sort of website here. So this is what it looks like. This is what the CodePen.io has provided. So something very, very similar, as you could see. And it's got the basic structure, the layout pretty much. So it's went ahead and understood that, okay, this is how it's going to look. So it's got widgets, media, social media blog, and so on, menu and contact info, as you can see. Oh, like so. So all that was really required from that was, again, just doing the exact same thing, which is to add your image in, go ahead and add the description in, and then you should get your HTML and CSS. Now, to make your minor adjustments, all you would need to do then is, of course, to with the area here for the placeholder images, so where it says the source code, you would go ahead and you would delete that, and then all you would need to do then is make sure that you have a conversion for the link for the image that you want to go into that image source. So anything that's online or anywhere that you can convert image so it has a link, then that's where you would want to do it. But there you go. That is pretty much the way you would create a basic website without using any sort of code at all. Okay, now I'm moving swiftly. If you are wanting to, let's just say, host or have this website completely live for free, all you would need to do is select the export button here on the bottom. And then there's going to be a platform here called tiny.host. All you would need to do then is drag and drop the actual website onto here. Now, the only thing about this is that it will become a more of a subdomain towards tiny.site. So that is the only thing about this. You can, of course, have a custom domain. However, you will have to upgrade that, and that means that you'll have to pay for it. But for free, you can use Tiny Host instead. But overall, that's how easy it is and how simple it is to go ahead and create a website using ChatGPT and an AI platform or platform, called CodePen.io. So I would highly suggest to try it out yourselves, see how you get on. Of course, if you want to go into more detail with it, you can. You can add color palettes and stuff as well through the CSS. And then with the HTML, you can become a little bit more complex with it. So it's completely up to yourselves how you want to go about it. Now, if you want to make the website a little bit more responsive as well, you will have JS here or JavaScript. And pretty much all you would do here is go ahead and type up or just have a bit of code. Again, using ChatGPT, copy and paste, and then make sure you go ahead and click on save, and you'll have a preview of the website. But guys, hopefully you found the video helpful, and hopefully it's giving you a reason to go ahead and create a website without using any code at all. Now, if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.